Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, Brother MFC Printer, and I'm gonna show you how to copy in color on this device. So you should load to the scanner the page with the content you wanna copy. Then just click copy. Here choose normal, or I don't know what you wanna choose, two-sided for example, or A4 to A3 for example, or for example if you wanna copy an ID card for example, you can copy first side and second side and then print both sides on one page. 2-in-1 poster, so several copies in one A3 for example. Ink safe mode or the book. I will copy in normal mode, and now you just need to choose color start. Wait a while. Cool, that's it. As you can see, page was successfully copied. That's it, thanks for watching and bye, see you.